has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Collier County in southwestern Florida until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Naples, moving northwest at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Naples, Golden Gate Estates, Naples Park, Vineyards, Golden Gate, North Naples, East Naples, Pelican Bay, and Quail Creek Estate. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following